as actors, sometimes we get to film in some really cool locations. Sometimes it's studios, sometimes it's out on location, sometimes it's in a $45,000 a month penthouse here in Chicago, 8,000 square feet. Great views, like this place was great. And I apologize in advance. I didn't have my good camera. I used my old, if you saw the video, I have an iPhone 13 unboxing video I did, but I use my iPhone 11, and some of it's vertical, some of it's horizontal. So again, forgive me, don't beat me up too bad about that, because I didn't have this in mind, but I thought this would be a cool video to throw whatever I could with the footage to show you guys. And I'm gonna try and do more of this as I can on location. Now, there's rules to this stuff. I signed an NDA. I can't talk about what movie or film or TV show this was. So unfortunately, I can't mention that, but when I can, I'll try to do more of this stuff, bring my camera equipment with me and see what I can do. But this place is ridiculous. Outdoor private pool, private hot tub, multiple fire pits, outdoor bar, outdoor kitchen, outdoor shower. You can sit there and take a shower and look at the city skyline, like the Hancock building, like it's amazing, or whatever they're calling it now. Full-size catering kitchen with like doors on both. You can have like revolving staff butlers or catering for a party just rolling through. And the catering kitchen, the butler kitchen, is better like sub-zero appliances and fridges than the main kitchen, it seems like. Waterfall quartz countertops, all that good stuff. Oversized sliding doors, like, you know, the zero threshold doors, I think, almost go around the whole place. There's balconies that wrap around the whole place, almost 360. Every room has its own balcony, but tied, you could basically almost walk around the whole place. We even shot some footage with a drone. Now I don't have that footage again because that's for the production, but I have footage of the drone. Just kind of, you can see how we do stuff like that, and just kind of give you guys an idea of some of the stuff I do. I'm gonna try again, like I said, to do a little more of this stuff, but take a look. Hope you enjoy it.
This is what $45,000 a month looks like. Your own private pool, private hot tub.
Mm-hmm.